In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic scroll-triggered background color change for your web page. This technique will allow you to give your site an engaging and interactive feel by changing the color of the background as users scroll through different sections. Let's dive into it. First things first, we're going to start by setting up our web page. You'll want to have multiple sections, each with its own distinct background color. It's a good idea to give each of these sections a unique combo class name, such as BG Section 1, BG Section 2, and so on. This helps keep things organized and makes it easier for us to apply the scrolled animations later on. Now, with our sections in place, it's time to add the scroll interaction. Pick one of your sections where you'd like the change to begin, and head over to the Interactions panel. Here, we're going to introduce a Scroll into View trigger. This is your starting point for making your background color animations come to life in response to scrolling. The next step is to create the animation itself. Click on the plus icon to start a fresh animation. Give it a clear, descriptive name like background color change so that you can easily find it later. At the 0% scroll mark, you'll want to establish the background color of the section to its initial color. Essentially, this sets the baseline for how your section should look before any scrolling occurs. As you continue building out the animation, add another action by selecting the plus icon again. This time, choose a different scroll percentage, for example, 50%, and define the next background color in its sequence. You can keep repeating this process for each section, setting up multiple keyframes that specify the various color changes as users scroll down your page. Feel free to get creative here with the colors and scroll percentages, but ensure that each section transitions smoothly to the next. Finally, let's refine the animation. The timing of these keyframes is crucial as it dictates how fluid and seamless the experience will be for your users. You may need to adjust the duration of each color transition to achieve the desired effect, whether that's a slow, gradual change or a quick, sharp shift in color. Play around with these timings until you get the look and feel that you want. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now set up a scroll-triggered background color effect that will definitely catch the eye of your site's visitors. It adds an extra layer of interactivity and polish. Making your web page not only functional but visually engaging. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy designing.